Hi, so today I'm going to be taking you on a tour of the Utah Valley Parade of Homes 2022, and we're going to go ahead and get started right now. Mariah Koehle here. Welcome back to the channel. So glad you are here. This channel is literally everything you need to know about eating, working, playing, sleeping, and living in the Salt Lake City, Utah area. If you are interested in that, consider subscribing down below so you don't miss a thing. We hear from people like you all the time that are relocating or looking to make a move, and we absolutely love it. Feel free to give us a call, shoot us a text, or send us an email, and we would love to help you in that process. So let's go ahead and get started. A couple years ago, when my family and I, my husband and our 4 kids, we moved from California here to Utah, beautiful state. And the first time we moved in, I ended up seeing all these signs. We actually moved here to Utah right during the middle of the Utah Valley Parade of Homes. And I had been hearing about this parade for years and years from a good friend of mine that lived down in San Diego. And she actually grew up here in Utah. And she had told me about this parade for years. And she said, oh, actually, my dad was a home builder. And I actually would work at the houses and check people in the tickets. And so she goes, oh, I love the parade. It's so fun. It's so fun to go get to see the other houses. And so I just remember seeing when we moved here, we saw all the signs, and all of a sudden it just it triggered that, oh, wait, my buddy has worked these. She said they're really fun. I should go check it out. Wow, was she ever right. So the first year I went, and I was just totally blown away. My parents actually happened to be out here during that time. And so my parents and I and my husband, we went and we toured a lot of the houses, and we came away with so many different ideas and inspiration, and just the ideas were just unbelievable. And so then the next year I went, oh, this was even better than the first time. And so year after year, now that I've been going for the last few years, it is such a fun place to tour homes. I have friends that are flying in from out of state to tour these houses, and it's a blast. And I've gone with many of them to tour different houses. So I'm super excited to get to share with you some of my favorite houses that I saw, and we're going to go through, and I'll take video, and I'm going to show you the pictures of these. And please drop a comment down below and tell me what house you liked best, what room you liked best, and I would love to hear what you have to say. Thank you so much for watching the tour of the Parade of Homes. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you got some value out of it. Please, again, feel free to leave a comment and share with me what your favorite part of the Parade of Homes was in the tour. I would love to hear. If you are looking to move or relocate to this beautiful beehive state of Utah, please feel free to give me a call, shoot me a text, or send me an email, and I would love to connect with you. Take care.